Embarking on the journey from internship to a full time offer marks a significant milestone for freshers stepping into the professional world. Each phase of this transition plays a crucial role in shaping career prospects and personal growth. Internships provide invaluable hands on experience, allowing individuals to apply academic knowledge in real world scenarios. As interns navigate workplace dynamics, they develop essential skills and build professional networks. Successfully moving from an intern to a full time employee is not just about performance, but also about adaptability and continuous learning. This progression lays the foundation for a rewarding career, making every stage of the journey vital for newcomers to the workforce. The first phase in securing an internship begins with preparing a compelling application. This involves tailoring your resume and cover letter to highlight experiences and skills that align with the position. Leveraging professional and personal networks can open doors to opportunities that may not be publicly advertised. Demonstrating genuine enthusiasm for the role and the organization helps you stand out among other candidates. Relevant skills, whether technical or interpersonal, should be clearly communicated throughout your application materials. By combining thorough preparation with proactive networking, you increase your chances of landing the internship you desire. During the second phase of your internship, the focus shifts to making a meaningful impact within the organization. This involves contributing to projects, taking initiative, and demonstrating a willingness to learn new skills. Actively seeking feedback from supervisors and colleagues helps you refine your approach and grow professionally. Building strong relationships with team members can open doors to mentorship and future opportunities. By adding value and embracing every learning moment, you not only enhance your own experience but also leave a positive impression on the organization. Phase 3 focuses on transforming your internship into a full time opportunity. Strategic networking plays a crucial role as building relationships with colleagues and mentors can open doors to permanent positions. It's important to consistently communicate your interest in long-term roles, making it clear to supervisors that you are invested in the company's future. Additionally, acting on feedback demonstrates your commitment to growth and adaptability. By proactively seeking advice and applying suggestions, you showcase your value to the organization. This combination of networking, clear communication, and responsiveness to feedback significantly increases your chances of receiving a full-time offer. After Passout is dedicated to empowering freshers throughout every stage of their professional journey. From the initial phase of career exploration, the platform offers curated resources and expert guidance to help individuals identify their strengths and interests. As freshers move forward, After Passout provides practical tools for skill development, including workshops and online courses. The platform also facilitates valuable networking opportunities, connecting users with industry professionals and peers to foster meaningful relationships. By combining mentorship, learning materials, and community support, After Passout ensures that freshers have access to everything they need to maximize their chances of success in the competitive job market.